So we're going to replace a screen on a Samsung n145 Plus netbook. First thing you want to do is you want to remove the battery. I should mention while I'm doing this that a new screen was ordered from laptopscreen.com, which has really good customer service and very fast delivery. I got the screen within 3 days. So try them out if you're ordering a screen. Okay, remove the battery. First thing you want to do is you want to remove the rubber screen screw covers right here. Next step, you need to remove the screws. 4 screws around the corner. It's a good idea to keep the screws in the same order, or at least to keep them in a place where you'll know where they go afterwards. So put them somewhere so they don't get lost. Okay, once you do that, remove the bezel. Set it aside. Once you do that, you have 4 screws. Two of them right here, 2 of them right here, and 2 on the other side that you need to remove. Once you do that, you need to remove the brackets. The brackets are on the sides here. They're side screws, 1 over here, 1 on the other side. Actually, I misspoke. There are 4. There's 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom, and the same thing on the other side. Okay. Once you remove that, you need to disattach the connection to the computer and to the camera. There's a cable. You need to be careful. It's usually glued to the back of the screen. And there's usually a piece of tape over the connection. You can remove that piece of tape. And pop out the screen. So that's the old screen. Cover it with a piece of tape. Okay, now we're going to reattach the brackets. Brackets are usually labeled. It says which one's the left one, which one's the right one. This is the left one. Okay. Now we're gonna attach the hinges. So the screen goes over the hinge. Now that that's in place, we're going to take the cord, the connection to the computer, from the screen, this thing right here, right over here. We're going to tuck it in. Okay. These things sometimes fall out. They're not broken. You just have to put them back in. These are hinge covers. Now bring the bezel back, reattach it. Make sure everything is tightly connected. Looks like that's the case. And now put back the screws. And finally, put back the screw covers, the rubber screw covers. And that's it. So that's how you replace a screen on the Samsung n145 Plus netbook.